Alright, beers and bros. Here we are out here, enjoying another glorious day on the lake.
Fantastic day.
Look at the water.
Totally beautiful. The lake is super high.
McIntyre in the sun.
Yeah, getting burnt. A dummy.
Beautiful day on the lake.
Water's real high.
Right on, beers and bros. Mike's the only one catching fish today.
See someone out here? You want to see this grimmer?
Lips.
See if we can try to land one this time, huh?
Yeah, I ain't gonna be the one that fucking misses it. Not like you last time.
Hey, now.
Oh, that's a nice looking little fish. He's dancing. Oh yeah, that's a.
Sorry, I'm trying to get him in.
Oh, he just took off running. It's okay. Just take your time. Just get him up here. Got him.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's got to be your 10-pounder, right?
That's a 10-pounder for sure. What'd you catch that on?
Leo. That's a good fish. Get that thing on the way in.
Awesome.
It's white.
Well, here we are. We got him. Mikey's got himself another fish.
Jumper on this one.
Yeah, he came out screaming out of the water.
He's fighting right now.
As soon as he sees you and sees this net, he'll get excited.
Ooh, he's snatching my line.
Yeah, I saw him. He started coming up here towards.
He's trying to kick that damn lure out.
Just tire that big old boy out. Got him.
Snatch. Nice work, Kurt.
Just.
Yeah, look, lure.
Just in time. Yeah, I know. That was.
Well. Whatever you want to do. Okay, we're switching sides. This is going to be tough for me. I'm not left-handed. Kurt got a nice whack on this thing. Get him in the water.
Nice fish, dude.
All right, all right.
Nice fish.
All right, good. Yeah, he looks good. Take your time. Keep him in the water, keep him in the water. Oh, I can't even see him, dude. I can't even see him, fucker. Jesus Christ.
Get him in the boat, bitch.
Give me a fucking shower over here.
Got it.
Woo! That was a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Nice job, Chartreuse Daddy. Is that one of those 20-pound Del Val fish?
Yeah, it's a 20-pound Del fish for sure.
Okay, here we go.
Fishing line.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, Mike, did you put this thing back up here?
Put it back over there.
Jesus Christ. Don't worry about fishing line. You just fish. That's a nice fish. Let's see what we got going over there.
Big rod too.
It's a nice fish.
Why would I thought it was? What is it? Too? Oh. Nice fish, cool fish. Have to tighten my fucking drag. Get this out.
There you go.
Clear it up. God damn it, that felt like a. Okay. It's nailed up into another one. Excellent. He took off pretty good. Ripping the boat all over the place. We didn't even get both of our rods in the water that time. That was quick.
He's gonna come up. He's not gonna be happy. I don't think he's really big, but he was a runner. He grabbed. He ran.
Yep, I just saw him. You're good.
Let's see him.
There's a lure.
Oh,
there he is.
nice.
Yeah. Can't lift that fucking thing.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Nice, dude.
By me, a massive cluster.
Get shit out of there. All right, let's see if he's still on.
Only fishing with one pole and I screwed it up.
I'm sewing here. God damn it, I can't see the end of my fucking hole. Jesus Christ. Really? There might be a fish there at the end of the day. News is, it doesn't feel any pressure on it.
I think you're there.
Looks like I got it. We'll see. There's still a fish on there. I don't know where the hell he is, but it doesn't feel vertically speaking.
Well, that's amazing. Well, I'm glad you didn't lose it because of he's a runner.
Yeah.
Now he's like, wait a minute, what? Hold on a second.
It's another one of them little ones.
Little one's nothing. That's a nice fish. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! That's not a little fish, dude. That thing's got some girth on her. Damn. Sorry about the lure thing. Side you bringing them to?
This side, over here.
Okay.
Which side do you want to do? He's over here.
You see your line?
Coming right at us.
Oh baby, it's a nice fish. Take your time. Just take your time. Let's get that. Let him run, let him run, let him.
I'm fishing real cool.
Oh, I thought he I said he just told you goodbye. Mm. God damn it.
Come back.
Dude, you just have him running past me. I know you don't have a say. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna get him going this way this time. God damn it, dude. Dude, what are you? Get the goddamn fish over here, fucker. Funny shit. You're such a dick. Oh, look at how much water, how much fucking around do you have to do? Okay, there's Mikey. He's got himself another rip-roaring rapid here.
Didn't put up much of a fight. Little baby.
It's a little baby
Don't let him
fish.
keep my lure. Thank you. All right. Tally ho.
We finally, well, Mike broke the ice on the babies. He finally had to pull one out of the crate.